This is a very simple humidifier, if you want to call it this way. Simply a burner, electric burner, water, and it does humidify the room, I think, even better than a proper humidifier. Why? Because if you see the vapors, I'm not sure if the camera does see them, but not catch them, but the vapors go really up in the air and mix with the air in your room, whereas the humidifier atomizes the water in a different way. For instance, if you keep this on the floor, you will see the floor stays dry, whereas if you put a humidifier on the floor, you will see around the humidifier that mist comes down, falls around, and it's wetting the floor. So that's the difference that I did notice. And these things, you can put a large amount of water and just put a lot of humidity in your room if you need. I mean, winter time, these electric heaters dry the air very badly, and I need an air to be more humid for my lungs. You need to be really careful with these things, obviously away from any kind of curtain. I prefer to keep them on the floor so it's more stable, but just make sure you don't step on them. Away from absolutely anything that can ignite, any kind of fabric or anything that can fall, bed or so. But also don't leave it unattended, just for your safety, so you don't get your home doesn't catch fire. So just never leave it unattended. Don't sleep with these things on. Just put them 1 hour before you go to bed and just get that humidity that you need in your room. And again, I don't think the camera can film the vapors. Let me just put the camera above so you'll notice how the lenses get foggy. It does give away a lot of humidity. Now, if you want to buy these burners, be aware that many cheap ones, $20 on Amazon, are really bad and don't last at all. So you want to buy one that's more expensive, $50, $60, $70, $100, and I recommend you look for ones that are at least 1,500 watts, not 1,000. 1,000, this one is 1,000 watts. It works, but you could do better with 1,500, or even, I'm not sure if they sell 2,000 watts. The higher the number, the better. And also you can just put hot water from your sink right away, and it's going to boil faster.